Yo, what's up mga master? Hanap mo ba yung ladies salon na may pa-summer promo? Well, dito ka na sa may experience na 25 years of existence sa mga services nila dito sa Abu Dhabi. Hindi muna tayo magpo-food vlog ngayon mga master. Itatry naman natin ang facial treatment dito sa Fine Touch Ladies Salon. Alam niyo ba mga master, sa 10 services na mapipili nyo sa kanila, 100 dirhams lang ang babayaran nyo. At dahil nga may pa-summer promo sila, yung 100 dirhams nyo, maliles pa ng 10% discount after that. Marami din kayong pwedeng pagpilian sa mga services nila, like hair or skin treatment, nail services, hair removal, hair services, cosmetic services. Meron din silang Thai or Swedish massage and other services like Moroccan bath, paraffin foot or hand, and full body whitening. So what are you waiting for mga master? Wala na kayong hahanapin pa. They offering you the best services to make you more beautiful. And to avail the summer promo, all you have to do, just follow their page and book your appointment now. Let's go!